Daisy, why are you wearing a hat inside?
Don't ask, please.
Oh no, a bad haircut?
Worse. A real hair salon disaster.
Okay, everyone, welcome back to Alex and Daisy English. Today we have a true story, a painful one, but a useful one.
It's not funny yet. Maybe next year.
So take off the hat, show us.
No way. Not yet.
Come on, we can't see anything.
That's the whole point, Alex.
Okay, just tell me what happened.
So, last Friday, I went to a new salon, a cheap one near my house. I had a reason to look nice. My cousin's wedding is next week.
Oh, so you wanted fresh, pretty hair.
Just a little cleaner, that's all.
And now you have a wedding in a hat.
Please don't remind me.
Uh-oh. Cheap and new. That's a bad sign.
I know that now, but it looked nice from outside. Clean windows, nice photos on the wall.
And inside?
Inside was fine too at first. A young man washed my hair. The water was warm. I felt relaxed.
So far, so good.
Right, and he seemed very confident. He talked fast, he smiled a lot. I thought, okay, this guy knows hair.
But confident is not the same as good.
I learned that the hard way. Then he asked what I wanted, and here comes my big mistake.
What did you say?
I said, just take a little off.
Wait, take a little off? That's a great phrase. It means cut only a small amount.
Yes, take a little off the top.
Or take a little off the sides. You can use it at any salon.
But here's the problem. A little means different things to different people.
Oh no, I think I see it now.
For me, a little is 1 centimeter. For him, it was 10 centimeters.
10? Daisy, that is not little.
I didn't know. I was on my phone.
Wait, you looked at your phone the whole time?
Yes, huge mistake. I wasn't watching, and he talked the whole time too, about football, about the weather. His voice was like background music.
So you stopped paying attention.
Totally. I forgot about my hair. He talked, and the hair disappeared.
That's like a magic trick.
A very bad magic trick.
Daisy, you have to watch the mirror.
I know that now, okay? I heard the scissors, snip, 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 but I thought he's just shaping it.
And then?
I looked up after 10 minutes, and my hair was all on the floor. So much hair, like a small animal. I picked up one piece from the floor. I almost put it in my bag.
Wait, you wanted to keep it?
I don't know. I wasn't thinking.
Oh, Daisy, that's a little sad.
It was a sad, sad moment.
Oh no, what did you do?
I froze. I couldn't speak. I just stared at the floor. My long hair gone in minutes. I grew it for 3 years.
3 years? Oh, Daisy.
That hair was part of me. It was in every single photo.
I understand. Hair is personal.
It really is.
Did you say anything to him?
No, and that's the worst part. I stayed quiet. I even smiled. I said, "Oh, it looks great."
Daisy, why did you say that?
I don't know. I was in shock. My mouth said one thing, but my heart said something else.
Honestly, that happens to me too. We smile when we want to cry.
Exactly. Why do we do that?
And then? Did you just leave?
First, I had to pay him. I paid and I said, "Thank you."
You thanked him for that?
Yes, my manners just took over. Then I walked out head down. I pulled my scarf up high.
Like a spy in a movie.
A sad spy on a sad bus.
Was it expensive at least?
No, it was very cheap.
So you saved money,
I saved money, I lost my hair.
a cheap price for an expensive lesson.
That's one way to say it.
But wait, why didn't you speak up?
Because it's scary in that chair. There are sharp scissors near your head. You don't want to make him angry.
I'm not sure that's a good reason.
Easy for you to say. You've never had a bad haircut.
Oh, Daisy, you don't know my history.
Wait, really? You too?
Oh, yes, but that's a part 2 story.
Okay, now you have to tell me.
Fine, but don't laugh too hard.
I make no promises.
So, a few years ago, I really wanted to save money. A haircut felt too expensive.
Uh-oh, I don't like this start.
So I asked my friend to cut it.
Your friend? A real hairdresser?
No, just a normal friend. He said, "It's easy. I can do it."
Oh no, famous last words.
He had scissors and one short video, a 5-minute video online. That's all.
5 minutes? For a whole haircut?
I trusted him. Big mistake. After 10 minutes, he went quiet.
Quiet is never a good sign.
He said, "Please don't be angry, but..."
Oh no, oh no.
One side was short, the other side was long. I looked like two different people.
Two different people?
So I had to fix it myself. I cut more and more and more. In the end, almost no hair left.
So you went from long to bald?
Basically, yes, in one evening.
Okay, you win. That's worse than mine.
See, we have all been there. Hey, quick thing for everyone listening. If you've had a bad haircut too, hit that like button. You're not alone.
Welcome to the Hat Club.
Yes, and follow Alex and Daisy English. We share stories like this every week.
Okay, but now I have a question. What should I have said at the salon?
Good question. Let's practice right now. Imagine I'm the hairdresser. Ready?
Okay, let's try.
Hello, so what would you like today?
Hi, just a trim, please.
Nice. Just a trim means a small cut.
Only the ends, keep the length.
Perfect. Remember that sentence. Keep the length, just the ends.
And what if he cuts too much?
You say, "That's enough, thank you."
Can I say, a bit shorter, please?
Yes, or "Not too short, please."
Oh, these are so useful.
And one more tip, bring a photo.
A photo of the haircut I want?
Exactly. A photo is clearer than words.
Let me try to remember them all. Just a trim, please.
Good.
Keep the length, just the ends.
Perfect.
Not too short, please.
Yes.
That's enough, thank you.
You've got them all now.
See, even disasters teach English.
So, back to the story. You came home.
I came home and checked the mirror again. I was having a really bad hair day.
A bad hair day. Another nice phrase. It means a day your hair looks wrong.
Yes, but people use it for any bad day.
Right. I'm having a bad hair day. It can mean everything is going wrong.
Even when your hair is totally fine.
Exactly. A small but useful idiom.
Anyway, my sister saw me and screamed.
Screamed? That's a bit harsh.
Then she said, "It's not that bad." But her face said something different.
The face always tells the truth.
So now I wear this hat every day to work, to the shop,
For how long?
until it grows back. Maybe 2 months.
You know, hair grows back fast.
I keep telling myself the same thing. But after a few days, it's really not the end of the world.
See, that's a healthy way to look at it.
My friend even said it looks modern.
Really? So maybe it's a new style.
Let's just call it a new style. Disaster sounds better as fashion.
Yes, and honestly, short hair is easy. Less washing, less drying, more free time.
That's true. My mornings are faster now.
See, a hidden bonus.
And I save money on shampoo now.
See, all good news.
Slowly, I'm starting to like it.
I like that, Daisy. But here's my real question. Next time, will you speak up?
Yes, 100%. Because the scissors didn't ruin my hair. My silence did.
Oof, that's a strong line, Daisy.
I learned it the hard way.
So, here's the lesson for today. At the salon, use clear words. Say the exact number. 2 centimeters, please.
And watch the mirror. Put your phone away.
And if it goes wrong, speak up.
Politely, but still speak up.
Your hair, your choice.
I love that. My hair, my choice. Next time, I'll be brave. This time, well, I have a hat.
The famous hat.
So that was my hair salon disaster.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
Now tell us your bad haircut story. We read every single comment.
And remember, it always grows back.
See you next time.